The nature of dark matter. Look at your hand. Go on, really look at it. See the lines on your palm, the faint pulse at your wrist, the solidity of your own skin and bone. It feels real, doesn't it? Substantial. It has weight. It has mass. It is. Now, I want you to consider this. Everything you can see, everything you can touch, everything you've ever loved, every mountain, every ocean, every star burning in the night sky, all of it, every single bit of what we call normal matter, is nothing more than the faintest glitter of dust, a shimmering afterthought in a cosmos dominated by something else, something we cannot see, something we cannot touch, something that is, for all intents and purposes, a ghost. Welcome, everyone. Today, we are diving into the greatest mystery of the modern age. We are going to talk about the nature of dark matter. The story of dark matter begins not with a bang, but with a puzzle. In the 1930s, a brilliant, sharp-eyed astronomer named Fritz Zwicky was looking at a distant cluster of galaxies, a swirling metropolis of billions of stars. He was measuring how fast these galaxies were orbiting around the cluster's center. It's simple physics, right? The more mass something has, the stronger its gravitational pull, and the faster things will orbit around it. Just like the inner planets of our solar system whip around the sun much faster than the outer, sluggish giants. But what Zwicky found made no sense. The galaxies on the outskirts of the cluster were moving impossibly fast. So fast that the gravity from all the visible stars and gas in the cluster should have been utterly incapable of holding them together. By all rights, this cosmic city should have flown apart, its galactic citizens scattered into the lonely void. But it didn't. It held fast. Zwicky, a man known for his fiery personality, proposed a radical idea. He suggested there must be some kind of dunkle materie, dark matter, invisible mass providing the extra gravitational glue to hold it all together. The scientific community, for the most part, shrugged. It was too strange, too fantastical. The case was shelved, a curious anomaly, but the ghost wouldn't stay in the attic. Decades later, in the 1970s, another astronomer, Vera Rubin, was mapping the rotation of individual spiral galaxies. She expected to see what we see in our solar system: stars closer to the galactic center orbiting very fast, and stars out in the spiral arms orbiting much more slowly. But her data painted a different picture, a bizarre one. She found that stars, whether they were near the bright core or out in the dim, sparse edges, were all orbiting at roughly the same breakneck speed. It was as if the entire galaxy was embedded inside an invisible, gigantic sphere of something, a vast, unseen halo whose gravity was dictating the dance of the stars. The visible galaxy, the beautiful spiral of light we see in telescopes, was just the jewel in the center of a much larger, much more massive, and completely invisible crown. The ghost had made its presence known once more, and this time we had to listen. So, what are we dealing with? Let's be clear. Dark matter isn't just empty space. It isn't black holes, at least not the kind we know. It isn't clouds of normal gas that are too cold to glow. We have ways of detecting those things. No, this is something fundamentally different. We know it exists because we can see its gravitational handiwork everywhere we look. We see its fingerprints in the way galaxies move. We see its shadow in the way light from distant objects bends as it passes through unseen concentrations of mass, a phenomenon we call gravitational lensing. We even see its blueprint in the very structure of the universe. After the Big Bang, it was the gravitational wells of dark matter that acted as cosmic seeds, pulling in normal matter to form the very first galaxies. Without dark matter, the universe would be a formless, starless soup. There would be no us. The most staggering, humbling fact of all is this: for every single particle of you, me, this planet, this star, there is 5 times more dark matter out there. Let that sink in. The world of light, the world of atoms, the world we call reality, constitutes a mere 15% of what actually is. The other 85% is this phantom, this cosmic sleight of hand. So, the million-dollar question, what is it? This is where the mystery turns from a scientific puzzle into something that feels almost mystical. We have been searching for decades. We've built incredible, hypersensitive detectors deep underground, in old mines, shielded from cosmic rays, waiting for the faintest whisper, the tiniest vibration, as a single particle of dark matter might, just might, bump into an atom of normal matter. We've pointed powerful telescopes at the skies, hoping to see the telltale flash of energy if 2 dark matter particles were to annihilate each other in the void. We've tried to create it in the most powerful particle accelerators we have, like the Large Hadron Collider, smashing particles together with unimaginable force, hoping to shake something loose from the hidden dimensions of reality. And so far, silence. Profound, echoing silence. This leads us to the truly mind-bending possibilities. Perhaps dark matter is not a particle in the way we understand particles. Perhaps it's a cosmic fossil, a remnant from the very first moments of the Big Bang, a substance that interacts with our world only through gravity and in no other way. It is the ultimate introvert, a universe of ghosts that simply passes through our own, unaware and uncaring. Or perhaps our understanding of gravity itself is incomplete. Maybe, on the vast scales of galaxies, gravity behaves differently, and there is no missing mass at all. This is a minority view, but it's a testament to how deep this mystery goes. We are questioning the very laws that govern the cosmos. But my favorite idea, the one that feels the most magical, is that dark matter is a gateway, that it is the signature of a hidden sector of reality, a parallel cosmos that exists right alongside our own, a universe of forces and particles and perhaps even structures that are completely alien to us, woven into the same space we occupy, yet forever separate. We are like fish in an ocean, unaware of the creatures walking on the land just above the surface, feeling only the faint, inexplicable vibrations of their footsteps. Dark matter is that vibration. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the true structure of the universe, not as a collection of isolated galaxies drifting in a black void, but as a cosmic web, a vast, 3-dimensional tapestry with brilliant knots of galaxies connected by long, delicate filaments, all suspended in an immense, dark ocean. This web, this grand architecture of everything that is built not from the galaxies themselves, but from dark matter. The galaxies are merely the Christmas lights strung up on the invisible dark matter tree. We are living in a haunted house on a cosmic scale. The walls, the floors, the very foundations of our reality are built and shaped by an unseen architect, and we are just beginning to sense the contours of its design. This quest is more than just accounting for missing mass. It is a fundamental search for our own identity. What is the universe really made of? What is the true nature of the cosmos we call home? Answering what dark matter is would be one of the greatest revolutions in human thought, rivaling the discoveries of Copernicus, Darwin, and Einstein. It would not just rewrite the textbooks, it would rewrite our understanding of existence itself. The search continues. The next generation of experiments is being built, larger, more sensitive, more ambitious. We are peering into the shadows with ever brighter lanterns, convinced that the ghost is about to reveal itself. And that, my friends, is the breathtaking, bewildering, and beautiful nature of dark matter. It is the universe's greatest secret, and we are on the verge of uncovering it. This is a journey we are on together. The fact that you are here, watching this, thinking about these profound mysteries, is a part of that story. So, if this glimpse into the cosmic unknown fascinated you, if you felt that spark of wonder, then please do help this channel grow. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you don't miss our next adventure into the edges of reality. The universe is strange, and it's more fun to explore it together. And I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think dark matter is? A new particle? A flaw in our laws? A parallel universe? Let your imagination run wild. If this taste of the cosmic unknown has left you hungry for more, if you want to dive even deeper into the mysteries of reality, from the holographic principle to the nature of consciousness, then I think you would truly enjoy my book, Holographic Multiverse. In it, we explore the idea that reality might be a projection, a cosmic code, and we tie together threads from quantum physics, cosmology, and philosophy to paint a picture of a universe far stranger and more wonderful than we ever imagined. It's a journey to the very limits of what we know. The link to check out Holographic Multiverse is in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay curious. Look up at the stars tonight. And remember, what you see is only the very smallest part of the story. The rest is waiting to be found.